Hi, I'm going to do a real quick video on a case that I bought from Amazon for the parrot ANAFI. I'm sorry, I just don't know how to pronounce it. And here it is. It's the inside. It's a nice case. Kind of looks like sorry, I'm using my phone on the gimbal. First time I ever used the gimbal. I've had it for the gimbal for probably about almost a year and I haven't used it, so I'm going to use it now to do this review. Sturdy case. Got a sturdy handle on it. You got these areas here for the strap. Another one over here. This is the strap. I don't use the shoulder straps. I've been using it for a little bit. It holds 2 batteries plus the remote. The props, wires are what you want to put in there. The drone, and it feels just like this, and look kind of like that too. So close it up. See, so you got the zippers, one there, whoops, set it down. I got one hand, so sorry if it's not working out. And the drone fits in here like that. Then the remote. Fits in here like that. The extra battery. Fits in like that. I do have another battery coming. I got the one in the drone, this one, and one more coming. And this is the props. Oops. They go right here. Whoops. This is what I did. I take the directions. Forgot about those. I put them here. And I put this here. Still fits in there fine. Then I take the cord. Since I don't have the other battery right now, I put it in there because it really doesn't fit in this area. That's where, this is the cover to the drone. That's the adapter to put just in case I lose it. And that's how it looks. I got it on Amazon. I would put the link, but I can't find the link. I've been looking and looking. I'm sorry about that. I should say I haven't had a lot of time with work and overtime to try to find the link and spend time on it. I think I got it for $20. And for $20, it's in really good. It's a really good case. I think it is. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up. With your support, my channel will grow. I appreciate that. I'll do some more reviews on some other things and some more on the parrot. So look for that to come soon. Thank y'all. Please like, subscribe. Bye.